there's a half plate here. How did you get Greg? I ordered from China. Using China proxy. For Chinese accessories. How many years did you wait for it? Like 1.5, 2, maybe? Link. It should be in the exclamation budget spreadsheet. All right, what am I doing? I can't even type on this because it doesn't work. Can you redo the sound test? Yeah, why the fuck not? Like, it's a full size. Full sizes are always gonna sound nice because it's like, it's big. It's got lots of room for activities, you know? You type like a witch who's about to throw a spell. Yes. Please do the arrows again. Ugh. It's beautiful. I love it. Okay, now let's get a keyboard we can actually type on. Okay, everybody hold tight as I cry to AI03. Live with you, bro. I did nothing wrong. Your lighting does look a lot better. This light over here, where you see the shadows, I haven't gotten the softbox for it, so it's a hard light currently. Once I have the softbox in a couple days, what is on my desk will look a lot more clean. And, like, nice. It'll be way nicer. But I got the light today. I got it like 10 minutes before the stream, so I just threw it on a tripod. Bro, it's fucking bright if you haven't seen. Wait, let me... Where's the remote? You want to see how bright this shit is? You guys ready? So, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, 100%. And it's not even pointing at me, it's pointing down. Keep it at 100%? No, I'm turning it off. There. Yeah, now we're back to actual Simon color. You look at 500 euro Honda Civics in class and draw ISOs. Oh, you're okay. I thought you were talking to me. I was so confused. All right, I am going to go grab a drink because I deserve a drink after soldering a PCB this fucking big, and then it's dead. I will return with whiskey. At least I think the whiskey. All right, bad news, guys. I am completely out of whiskey. So, we're gonna have some King Robert gin. Thank you, Robert. This keyboard, I love this keyboard. It's a nice keyboard, but this keyboard is literally giving me depression. Cheers, guys. Clink. Cursed board? It's a super nice board. It's just, I think the PCB's cursed. I think Dodo looked at it. Or Dodo touched it. Dodo definitely did something. Cheers to depression. Well, I feel better now. I mean, not really, because I can't use the fucking thing I just built, but hey, it's something. Let's get some chillin' music. Dreamy vocals, instrumentals. Let's go. The plate is cursed. Oh, the plate is fine. I don't mind. Like, I don't see the plate. Do you guys see the plate? You literally don't see it. The key spacing is not wide enough for it to matter. As long as you can feel the plate, then you're all good. Keyboard's equivalent of blue balls. Yes. This is the second time it's happened where I spend time building it and I can't use it. I've literally been blue balled by this keyboard twice now. Can we listen to Cotton Eye Joe? You know what? Fuck it. Yes, we can. We can. We can definitely listen to Cotton Eye Joe. Let's open up Tidal so we can listen to it in very high quality. All right, where's my Tidal? There's Tidal. Let's make sure it's the right source. More settings. Yes, yes, yes. Then we do Cotton Eye Joe. I'm going to play it on my speakers, but also you'll also hear it. I'll turn it up for you guys.